So my AC's not working. Well, I turned it off and back on, but a minute ago it said 73. The cool on was not flashing, and I moved it over here to on. Fan's not on, nothing's responding. Got this thing here, and it was just installed like a week ago, or that part was. This thing is a 2023, but we've got nothing working. Nothing working at all. We got this thing out here, new AC unit, just installed like a week ago. And I bet you that these stupid installers left a short that caused the transformer to short. So, that's where we are. So, everything's in there. First I want to check to make sure. Oh, hold on. What is this? Common has come out of something, or has it not? No, that's just a spare wire. Don't let it deceive you. So, it's all in here, like I said. And look.
Stop, you're gonna spill it.
There it is. Got a blown fuse. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any 3-amp fuses because I ain't been working in a while in the residential setting. Maybe I can find one. If you got fives will work too. But you don't want to overload that circuit board because it'll die. Maybe I'll get lucky and find one in here. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow, look what I got. A 3. Do I got another one? Oh, I got another one. Look at that. Ooh, I got 3 of them. Oh, that's good. Now I can stick one in there, and if it blows, that's okay. You want to have spare fuses, because if you do, then you can do that. You can like put one in there, and if it blows, well then, so what? All right, now I'm gonna stick this fuse in there, because it's not raining anymore. So since it's not raining anymore, I probably won't have a short occur. Just for fun, or just to be sure, I'm going to visually inspect what's going on down here from these stupid installers that installed a aux box. Yeah, you ever heard of aux box? I ain't never heard of aux box. Yeah, it's going to be in here or down here somewhere up in there. I got a short, or it's probably right here somewhere. So nothing really should be conducting. I think when it rained really hard earlier or something. What?
Where are you?
I'm right here, man. I'm doing this. You can't. But it's okay. Anyways, we're gonna see. We're gonna turn. Hey, don't touch. Get out of there. That's why you leave the breakers off. All right, let's see. We're gonna do this. Okay.
Oh, Daddy. Yeah, Dad.
It's like mágico. There we go. We've got fan action, fan love. The real question's going to be when the AC energizes, because that short. Hello, daughter. You're on YouTube. That short. Okay, the AC's on. Good. We do that, ma'am. Okay, and we got AC again. How about that? That's number 4. No, that's number 3. That's number 4. That's number 5. And that's number 1. So, a stupid fuse and a stupid problem caused by stupid installers. Be careful out there if you do stuff like this. Oh, and by the way, this type of system, the door has to be on it or it won't work. Because the fan sucks air through there, so the door has to be on to pull air through the coil. And yes, my filter's dirty. Later. Oh yeah, also, keep your spare fuses in there. So, fix the problem when you feel like it, or it'll happen again and then you'll just go through fuses.